Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and heading straight to Settings. This saves time. Once there, tap Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Make sure to look for Media and Contacts or Videos. Wording differs by platform. You want the autoplay option. Select off if you never want videos to play automatically, or choose on Wi-Fi only to save mobile data. This first action stops most interruptions immediately and prevents data use while you continue to fine-tune. Once done with Facebook settings, make sure the app's permissions and your browser don't override that choice. On iOS or Android, go to the System Settings, find Facebook, and restrict background data or video autoplay permissions. On desktop, open Site Settings in your browser and block autoplay for Facebook. Or install a lightweight extension that forces click to play. After changing these, clear cache and restart the app so the platform reads the new settings. This fixes most stubborn autoplay cases. You finish by verifying that autoplay is actually stopped. Reload your feed and test on both Wi-Fi and cellular so you know the difference. Make sure the Facebook app is updated. Outdated builds can ignore new settings, so update or reinstall if needed. If autoplay still persists, reset app preferences or clear app data because corrupted settings can force defaults. Finally, if nothing works, report the issue through Facebook's Help Center so it's logged. Provide device, app version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.